Hello guys, so today we're gonna unbox the Babymaker Pro. This is from FLX. So what I've got today, actually it's been like 2 months now. Yeah, that's still there, so I'm worried it's gonna drain my battery. So I'm gonna have to open it. So what I have here is the Pro model, 19 inches, and handlebar is upper. I can't handle drop because my back hurts. And I got the matte black. So let's do it. Let's unbox this thing. Here we go. That's a big box. There you go. Alright. Oh my god, the skinny tires. That's the saddle. Okay, what's inside here? Let's open it. Alright. We've got some pedals. Very light. Some parts. Alright. This is what I've been waiting for. We've got the charger. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's better if you're weak like me. Just get another person to help you. I haven't opened it for 2 months now, since it was delivered. I want to make sure that it's working, otherwise if the power is dead, I'm dead. Outlet there. And we've got really small one there. There's a female and there's a male, and they love each other. There you go. It's working. Thank God. The charger, well, it has a fan. That's the one that's I'm hearing. Okay, makes sense. Alright, it is now green. And it's now full. Take that out. Save these clips. Let's see if we can do one. I don't have any more money. No more money, so I have to save these clips. Alright. Just cut it off. Alright. Got a front tire. Down tube. That's the there's a battery there. Alrighty. Looking good. There's the stem. Let's put this on here. Uh-oh. You want to make sure that the brake is aligned. The brake pads. There you go. It's pretty easy. That's nice. I want it to that position right there. That's just, I used to. Get out. Yeah. Huh. Wait a minute. It's like that. As I said, this is gonna be my first road bike, and it happens to be e-bike. That's it for now. Now the front brake. Clip on. Okay, that's it for now. And so we can take this out. Okay. Now we can finally install this. That's weird. Oh, it's a two fingers. I usually use one only. Okay. Alrighty. Charan. Wow, this really looks comfortable. Bit of grease. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Whoa, that's sexy bike. Pretty light. There's right there, right, and there's left. Right. That's a lot. Okay. Oh, that's better. Smooth with grease. They do have the tool to tighten this pedals. Okay, good enough. FLX, man, that's really small. Battery is full, as you can see there. 0.1 mile. I don't know why I got a 0.1 mile. There's average, maximum, and the trip is 0.1 mile. Range 0, total of 0.1. And there's miles per hour. That's it. So that looks lovely. That's the final one. There you go. Beautiful. I love it. I love that color.